Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video again. In this video we are going to learn what is CPU usage. So CPU usage tells how much percentage of CPU is actively working at this moment. Measures in percentage. To check your CPU usage, you can write the top or stop command. So the top commands return results in very in old format. You can read here also, but I use here you are seeing is 67%, 65% CPU is using in my computer right now, but I use normally as top. It gives me more beautiful. It gives me the processes or the usage of CPU uh, in very beautiful format, so that's why I use it. So right now there is a use CPU usage 9.3% and 9.8% of my computer. So that's how you can know your CPU usage in your computer.